The following video course contains the use of sharp knives. If attempting at home, personal protective equipment such as cut-resistant gloves, sleeves, and aprons are highly recommended. Now onto the rib end portion of the loin, my personal favorite. We'll start by removing the rib end portion, which can be used for a roast or thrown in for a great sausage mix. Then slice a few chops, keeping them no thinner than ½ an inch, with an inch being the perfect thickness for a juicy, flavorful bite. Boneless rib end chops are excellent whether grilled or pan-fried as is. But for a more refined presentation, feel free to trim any excess fat to your preference. Either way, you're in for a delicious restaurant-quality meal. This section is packed with rich flavors thanks to its ideal fat content, making it perfect for boneless chops. Ideal for a midweek meal, simply season and roast the end of the rib end section for a quick, no-fuss option. Now it's time to prepare all our trimmings for sausage. For those of you who have a grinder, you can save some time here. But if you don't worry. You'll need to make sure your knife is razor sharp for this next step, and check that non-knife hand to ensure you're still wearing that cut-resistant or steel mesh glove. Safety first. Gather all your trimmings into a nice pile and start to cut the pieces into smaller 1/4 inch or even smaller cubes. This can be a bit tedious, but trust me, the end result will be totally worth it. I've added that small boneless rib end roast to bring the total weight to about 3 pounds. If you haven't already, check out our Rogue Butcher sausage kit at the store. It has everything you need to make professional sausages at home.